Hello all, this is Aditya from Electrolas, a channel for Arduino videos. Please check that out as well. The link is in the description box. Today we will be learning an extremely important topic in the history of India. Yes, it is the reign of the Mughal rulers. The Mughals have played an extremely important role in the history of India. I know how eager you are to learn this. This we will be learning in the further videos as well. So let's begin today's video. The learning objective for today's video are end of the Sultanate rule, the first battle of Panipat, and the introduction to the Mughal dynasty. During the reign of the Delhi Sultans, India reached great heights due to the immensely beautiful architecture, due to the administrative policies, and due to the policies for the welfare of the people instituted by the Sultan. The Delhi Sultans ruled India from 1206 to 1256, which is almost 3 centuries. The reign of all the Delhi Sultans is collectively known as the Delhi Sultanate. The Delhi Sultanate is divided into 5 dynasties: the Mamluk dynasty, the Khilji dynasty, the Tughlaq dynasty, the Sayyid dynasty, and the Lodi dynasty. The Delhi Sultans. The Mamluk dynasty. The Mamluk dynasty ruled India from 1206 to 1290. Some efficient rulers were Qutbuddin Aibak and Shamsuddin Iltutmish. The Khilji dynasty. The Khilji dynasty ruled India from 1290 to 1320. The efficient rulers were Jalaluddin Khilji and Alauddin Khilji. The Tughlaq dynasty. The Tughlaq dynasty ruled India from 1320 to 1414. Some efficient rulers were Firoz Shah Tughlaq and Muhammad bin Tughlaq. The Sayyid dynasty. The Sayyid dynasty ruled India from 1414 to 1451. Some efficient rulers were Khizr Shah Sayyid and Mubarak Shah. The Lodi dynasty. The Lodi dynasty ruled India from 1451 to 1526. Some efficient rulers were Sikandar Lodi and Ibrahim Lodi. Ibrahim Lodi is the last Sultan of the Delhi Sultanate. An invitation to rule India. Babur, the king of Farghana in Central Asia, was invited by Daulat Khan Lodi, who was the relative of Ibrahim Lodi, to rule India. He, like many other rulers, wanted to rule India due to its riches. As he was a punctual follower of the doctrines of Islam, he thought of this as an answer to his prayers to God. It is also said that the relationship between Daulat Khan and Ibrahim was strained, because of which he invited Babur to rule India. Therefore, on 21st April 1526, both the forces met at the historic place of Panipat near Delhi. The First Battle of Panipat. Friends, did you all know that not only one but 3 battles took place at the historic place of Panipat, of which we will surely learn later if you wish to. For now, let's look at the First Battle of Panipat. On 21st April 1526, both forces met at Panipat near Delhi. Ibrahim Lodi clearly outnumbered Babur's forces by a large margin. However, what Babur lacked in strength, he gained in might. His weapons and arms were far superior to those of Ibrahim's forces. Babur defeated Ibrahim at the iconic place called Panipat. After Babur defeated Ibrahim Lodi at Panipat, this ushered a new age of Muslim rule in India, which was the Mughal emperors. For the next 2 centuries, 16th to 18th, the Mughals ruled over India. The Mughal ancestry can be traced back to Timur, which is paternal, and Genghis Khan, which is maternal, with Babur, who was their descendant. Establishment of the Mughal rule. The First Battle of Panipat, fought in 1526, was a turning point in Indian history, not only because it brought the rule of the sultans to an end, but also it ushered a new age of Muslim rulers in India. Some notable Mughal rulers of the Mughal dynasty were Zahiruddin Muhammad Babur, better known as Babur, from 1526 to 1530. Nasiruddin Muhammad Humayun, better known as Humayun, from 1530 to 1540 and 1555 to 1556. Abu al-Fatah Jalaluddin Muhammad Akbar, from 1556 to 1605. Nuruddin Muhammad Salim, better known as Jahangir, from 1605 to 1627. Prince Khurram, also known as Shah Jahan, from 1628 to 1658. Alamgir, also known as Aurangzeb, who ruled from 1658 to 1707. In the further videos, we will be studying about the reign of Babur, Humayun, Akbar, Salim, and Aurangzeb. Any questions? Yes, you can surely ask them in the chat box and we will reply to you as fast as possible. Second thing, if you wish that you are weak in some topic, you can always put it in the chat box and we will make a video on it. Thank you. Stay tuned for the further videos. Don't forget to check out my YouTube channel and the chemistry videos which I have posted. Also, don't forget to check out the other educational videos and some entertaining videos from Fun to Learn. Thank you again. Let's meet in the further videos.